The tender for the Shillong Ropeway project will be opened post-Model Code of Conduct (MCC) by June 15 and the work will be awarded by July. Informing this yesterday, Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the department has floated EOI for the project and now a fresh corrigendum is being issued which takes care of certain aspects of the project which were not in the draft EPI that is being floated, and post-MCC the tenders will be opened. The Cabinet had in September 2022 approved the first passenger ropeway project in the state to be constructed from Lau Sotun to Shillong Peak at a cost of rupees 1.38 crore.
Are in the process of now, the EOI has already been floated. What has happened is that a fresh corrigendum is being issued, which takes care of certain aspects of the projects which were not covered in the draft EOI. That is now being floated, and post MCC, the tenders will be opened.
In commemoration